Thank you for joining me for the power scripture of the day. It's found in the book of Luke, chapter 22, verse 37 through 42. For I say unto you that this that is written must yet be accomplished in me. And he was reckoned among the transgressors. For the things concerning me have an end. And they said, Lord, behold, here are 2 swords. And he said unto them, it is enough. Then he came out and went as he was wont to the Mount of Olives, and his disciples also followed him. And when he was at the place, he said unto them, pray that ye enter not into temptation. And he was withdrawn from them about a stone's cast, and knelt down and prayed, saying, Father, if thou be willing, remove this cup from me. Nevertheless, not my will, but thy will be done. Thank you for joining me for the power scripture of the day. This is the power scripture of the day. This is the power scripture of the day. And remember, there